Welcome to my cryptocurrency course. This is module one. In this module, we are going to talk about what is cryptocurrency, what is a market, what is trading, trading versus investing, spot versus futures, cryptocurrency exchanges, other types, and how to use the exchanges. I'm going to explain these things in baby steps in a way that even a 10-year-old child will be able to understand. I understand that this is the biggest problem for most of you is that everything looks like mathematics when you see a chart. Everything looks like it's too cumbersome. You don't even understand where you want to start from. Follow me. I'll hold your hand. Just follow me. Listen to me attentively. I'll teach you exactly how you can start. At least at the end of this video, you should be able to have a basic understanding of what cryptocurrency is, how you can trade cryptocurrency, and what goes on in the market. Exactly how you can manipulate this market that can put some money inside your pocket as soon as possible. As soon as possible. So let's dive in directly. We all know what cryptocurrency is. You have heard it. It is the most acceptable exchange of money. It beats gold. Understand that dollar is one side, then cryptocurrency is on one side. Cryptocurrency is for the world, it's global. That's why they call it decentralized currency because it is not attached to a particular nation. Even some nation even bans it. But despite all the bans, it is still acceptable in other places. You understand why they can't ban it. This is why exactly it is cryptocurrency and it is decentralized. Some people have a myth that they don't know where cryptocurrency came from. Satoshi is not a real human being. Some people say he is Albert Einstein. Some people say he's dead, but I'm glad. I don't give a fuck who Satoshi is. All I know is that I'm enjoying these benefits of cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all those things. I like them, but especially Bitcoin, the father of them all. That's what we're going to talk about. What is cryptocurrency? It is a digital currency that is acceptable in every part of the world. It is decentralized. Some countries might ban it, but it doesn't mean that the human beings don't accept it. Understand what I'm saying? So we move on to what is a market. We all know what a market is. It's very simple. A market is a place where buyers and sellers come together. If you go to outside and they send you to a market, even if you are a 10-year-old child and they send you to a market, what do you see in the market? You see people buying and selling. You came to buy. Some people came to sell. So this is a place where everybody meets together in one point. That is exactly what a market is. But in cryptocurrency, there are reasons why a market exists. There's a reason why a market would exist. And the first reason is to raise capital. Raise capital for people like us that want to start a business but don't have enough money, but we are too wise. That is why we are in this market to raise capital for ourselves. It's the same thing with institutions and businesses. Another reason why it is a market is because so that institutions like Bitcoin, like Ethereum, like Solana would be able to speculate and tell their users and say, people that believe in me. This is me. I am so great and many people accept me. And in the future, everybody will accept me and I'll become so big. Please give me some money. Please invest in me. I promise you, I will give you returns. That is another reason why a market exists. Also, the market also exists so that buyers and sellers can determine the price. It's not like the Nigerian naira where you wake up and you see that naira has gone up to 1,400 out of nowhere. This is something that the buyers and the sellers come and agree together. That's exactly how cryptocurrency works. Cryptocurrency markets, they come and they. So if you come, let's say this is a glass of water, and you say, I want to buy this glass of water at 10 naira, but in the market they're selling it for 100 naira. Guess what? You have to wait because the market has not agreed that that is the price that they want to sell it. That's exactly how the market works. So we move directly straight to the next point, which is what is trading. We just finished the market. Now we are going to talk about trading. When you hear trading, you hear traders. This is a trader, and this is the market. Who are you? A trader is somebody that comes to buy or sell for profit. So if I buy this glass of water for 100 naira and I sell it for 150 naira, guess what? I'm a fucking trader, bro. I just made $50. I'm a fucking trader. That's exactly who a trader is. You buy and you sell, hoping from the exchange or from the change of price. Understand? It's simple to understand. You buy low, you sell highs. You buy something at a lower price and you sell it at a higher price. Makes you a trader. That is who a trader is. We move to the next. Trading versus investing. Many people make this mistake and they confuse themselves. They are not traders. If you listen to me, if you buy Bitcoin last year and kept it till this year, you are not a trader, you are an investor. Traders, they come, they buy, and they sell. It's immediately. They come to the market. Okay, I'm buying this remote, this for 10 naira, and I'm selling for 15 naira. I just bought it from this guy that wanted to sell sharp, sharp, and I'm selling it now, 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 now. So it's immediate, it's fast, it is, it is. But investors, they look at, I like your business. I like Bitcoin. I believe that Bitcoin in the long run, Bitcoin is going to be the most acceptable currency. So I'm going to invest my money because I know that someday some people, the whole world will want Bitcoin and they are going to crave for Bitcoin. But guess what? I invested in Bitcoin when nobody wanted it. That's why I'm going to reap the benefits of my harvest. That is exactly what investing is. So don't mistake the two of them because if you mistake it, you lose your money. If you invest in something, let's say you invest now, then in the next 2 minutes, you plant your seed now, and in the next 2 minutes, and you're hoping, hey, you're looking at the screen, how much is my money now? You're going to lose it to people like me. I don't want you to lose it. That's why I'm making this video. I'm saying don't lose your money. Understand the difference between a trader and an investor. Do you want to be a trader? Learn the basics of a trader. Do you want to be an investor? Learn the basics of an investor. Believe me, the both of them make the same money. If you invest, you still make the same money. If you trade, you still make the same money. Believe me, and most of the times, most investors make more money than traders. Trading is risky. It's totally risky. It's like buying a stolen phone. It's risky. It's like buying something cheap and selling it. It's risky. Investing is less risky because investing has to do with belief. I don't give a fuck about what Solana does. I just want to trade Solana. I don't believe in Solana. I just want to trade Solana. I don't believe in Bitcoin. I just want to trade Bitcoin. That is who a trader is. But an investor says, I believe in Bitcoin. I give my life for Bitcoin. I love Bitcoin. I believe that in the long run, everybody in the world will want to use Bitcoin. So I'm going to invest in Bitcoin. And guess what? Trade investors don't make their money immediately. So they look at the long run, they look at this long span and say, in the next 2 years, in the next 5 years, I hope that if I invest this money in this time, I'll be able to get times five of this money or times 10 of this money or sometimes times 700 because Bitcoin has done times 700. So even if you invested some money in some time ago, even as low as November last year or December last year, if you invested in Bitcoin, right now you should have made at least some 10x. Because at one point Bitcoin was in November, I think Bitcoin was still lagging. It was still at 28K, but right now it's at 40 something thousand naira, 41,000 naira exactly. So that is it. That is the difference between an investor or and a trader. Now we dive deeper, a little deeper, understanding spot versus futures. So spot is a very, very simple way of the market and say, okay, I have this money, I have 100 naira, and I want to buy Bitcoin. You give somebody, you pay 100 naira, and you receive the value of Bitcoin in at 100 naira. This is a glass of water, and I want to buy. How much will you sell this glass of water? 100 naira. Okay, take 100 naira and give me. I want to buy fish. How much is this fish? It's 200 naira. Okay, take 200 naira. Give me my fish. That's how sport works. Take 200 naira, give me my fish. Now we come to futures, which is for the traders. Sport is for like investors. You can invest and make you buy this and hope you hold it and you say this water would increase with time. Understand? That is sport. But futures now you don't buy this water. You play a game against another person. This is the water in futures, in Binance futures or in any type of futures. This is the water. Now, instead of you to buy this commodity and get the value of this commodity, you are now playing a game against this water and you're saying, would this water go up or would this water go down? And you say, this water is going to go up. The price of this water that they sell for 100 naira is going to go up to 120. Somebody else comes and say, no, this water is going to go down to 80 naira. Oh, yeah, bring your money. This one, bring your money. Bring your money. They come together. And if this water goes down to 80 naira, guess who wins? They take your 100 naira, and this person that say it's going to 80 naira takes the money. That's player. That's where it's player versus player. So you need to understand the basics. In futures, that's what they in futures they also give something they call leverage. Let's say you don't have enough money to participate in this 100 naira water, but you have 10 naira and you say, oh, I wish I could buy this water, or I wish I could play with this water and join them to bet. So what does the exchange do or the marketplace do? They say, my brother, I know say you no get money, but just bring that your 10 naira. I go add 90 naira. Make we use play this game. If you win, the same money where you go win it, like say you get 100 naira. Now the same money is the same money that you are going to win, like you did not, like you put 100 naira. If you lose, now the same way where you lose 100 naira, now the same way you go lose 10 naira, now the same. So if you lose 1% of 100 naira, you don't lose from your 10%. You understand? So if you go down 10%, you don't lose the whole 100 naira we been, the whole 10 naira we been get. Then they will carry the 90 naira, they go say, oh boy, you be loser. I know if you play with you, you know, sabi bet. But if you win, they go happy. All of them go happy. You will collect your money. You will collect your money like saying 100 naira you put. You dey understand the jack now. That's how futures work. So for now, we're not playing futures. Let's understand the basics. The basic is sports, how to buy and just collect your money and hold your thing. You don't play with anybody. But futures is play, is player versus player. We play you and you play me. You know, that's exactly what futures is. We go down to crypto exchanges. What are crypto exchanges? Is the marketplace, the platform that carries the marketplace, like Binance, like Bybit, like CoinFlip, Coinbase, all those places. They are all exchangers. Bear in mind, you cannot trust your exchanger because we have seen millions and millions of times where fraudulent people have started exchangers and took people's money away. So just understand that this is a marketplace, and if you are using Binance, you just need to be careful and just do what you can do. Trade what you can trade and make your money and leave. And just be careful. I use Binance, so I will advise you download Binance right now and try playing around Binance. And in this marketplace, in these exchanges, a there's a centralized exchanger and there's a decentralized exchanger. Centralized exchangers are the ones that have your identity, that have like Binance. Now they want to know you. They want to know who they are trading with, who is playing this game with them. That's Binance. Then you have, let's say, like Cold Wallet, all this blockchain. Those ones, they don't give a fuck who you are, but you really can't do too much. You can only hold your coin and say, oh, I want to hold this thing. But if you want to now get further, you need to find a centralized exchanger. But that's by the way. So we go down to the next one, which is other types. How do you execute the order? So now you come to the market and say, I want to buy something. How do you know the line in which you are going to enter? The aisle, let's say you go to a mall, which mall which one are you going to enter? Which one is the best place in which you can achieve what you want to achieve? There are many types of orders, but let's stick to this one. Market order, limit order, stop loss, take profit, trailing stop. You should have heard all these things before. Market order is, this is a glass of water. Take, give me, give me money, or give me money, take water. 100 naira. That's exactly how market order executes immediately. Exchange, bam, bam, bam. Take your own, I take my own. We come to limit order. This is a glass of water. And you say, this glass of water is going to come down to 80 naira. So when it comes down to 80 naira, please, I want to buy. Then you set a limit order and say, whenever this water comes down to 80 naira, I want to buy. Whenever this water goes up to 120 naira, I want to sell. Do you understand what I'm saying? So that's the meaning of limit order. Limit order is putting a particular price and say, this is how much I have and this is how much I'm willing to spend. When this price ever comes down to this level, I will buy. That's limit order. Stop loss, water. You buy it at 100 naira. After buying this water, you see that the water starts reducing in price. It comes down to 80 naira. You say, no, I don't want to lose more than 20 naira. So immediately it comes down to 80 naira. Please stop me, drop me, give me my 80 naira. Let me lose only 20 naira. You set a stop loss. That's exactly how they set. So people lose their money in this game because they don't know how to set their stop loss. I assure you, if you understand risk management and how you set a stop loss, you can never lose your money. You understand me? You can never lose your money. So whenever I see people say, I lost so much money, I lost my money, because they are dumb. They are dumb people. Those are the people we call dumb money. I'm smart money. So you need to follow smart money like me. Then there's something called trailing stop. Trailing stop is, you buy this glass of water 100 naira, and it goes down, it goes up in value to 120. So you put in a trailing stop so that you can protect your profit and protect your money. So you put in a trailing stop to 115. You bought it at 100 now, you rose the value to 120. You put a stop and say, if this money comes down to 115, please stop me so that I don't lose that my small profit. Exactly what it is for trailing stop. How to use exchangers. I cannot tell you exactly how to use exchangers, but I will in the long run. But for now, you need to start using exchangers by yourself. Download it. How do you start learning how to use it? You start by starting to use it. So you need to download it on your phone and just play around, sign up, upload your identities, get used to it and just play around. Download Binance, you can download Bybit, you can download whatever you want to download. Just download and play around it. As you keep playing, you keep learning. And I'll still try my best to help you in the next model if you stick around. The next one is, what is my exact advice to traders? So this would be my exact advice, is that you need to learn the basics. You need to learn the basics. Now imagine that you wake up, you have never had a football match, but they now put you, you now claim that you can play football very well, and they put you in the midst of Cristiano Ronaldo and Messi. Believe me, you are going to flop. Imagine that you don't know how to fight and they put you in the ring to box Floyd Mayweather. Believe me, you will flop. He will beat the hell out of you. It's the same thing with trading. Everything is the same thing. It's like learning a new language. You cannot just become proficient in a new language. Babies don't just start running. They start walking, they start crawling, they start walking, they start standing before they can think of any other thing. It's exactly the same thing with trading. Don't overthink yourself. Don't think you can make money and just come from nowhere and make some money from crypto. Even if you do, you lose the same money. Understand that there are basic steps, baby steps, normal steps that you need to learn. You need to understand how that moves. That's exactly the first point. The first point of everything is that you need to learn, learn the basics, learn small risk management, learn how to take a profit, learn how to get in at the best perfect entry that you can. That's exactly how you learn. And what do you do next is download the Binance and start playing around it. Here, I have a few quizzes that I want us to go through together. Then you just leave the comment in the comment section. Give me the answers in the comment section. The first question is, which of these is a reason for markets to exist? Go through the options and drop your answer in the comment section. The next one, pause this video, go through the questions and drop your answers in the comment section. The next one is, what is trading? Pause the video, go through it, drop your answer in the comment section. Which of these statements about perpetual futures is true? Go through the options and drop your answer exactly. I believe you know you have learned some things from this. I have less than $500. Can I still learn trading part time? Sure, you can. But go through the answer and I just answered that. That's it.